Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Find Spot at Nursery, a Lift the Flap book by Eric Hill. Today is a special day for Spot. He is starting nursery. Miss Bear shows Spot where to hang his bag. "My peg has a sand castle on it," says Spot. What's underneath this red jacket? It's Steve! Hello, Spot! There are lots of different things to do at nursery. Spot paints a lovely bright sun for Mum. What have you painted, Dad, Spot? I painted a rainbow. It's almost snack time. Yum. But wait, where's Spot? I haven't seen him. Perhaps Spot is making a splash outside in the water play area. No, it's a duck. Maybe Spot is hiding in the play tent. No, it's Helen. Who is that building a sand castle in the sand pit? It's Spot! I made a sand castle like the one on my peg. At last it's time for some yummy snacks. Who's hungry? I like nursery, says Spot. Can I come back tomorrow? And that was Find Spot at Nursery by Eric Hill. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye! Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Find Spot at the Museum, a Lift the Flap book by Eric Hill. Spot is visiting the museum with Mum and Tom. Look at this big dinosaur bone. This bone's not for you, Spot. That's a huge fossil, isn't it, Tom? What's through here? It's a caveman! Look, a woolly mammoth. But wait, where is Spot? He's not here. It's a saber-toothed tiger. Where could he be? Is Spot hiding here? Nope, that's not him. Did Spot come this way? Let's find out. Oh, it's. Oh, no, he's not here. It's Mr. Snake. Hello, Mr. Snake. Is Spot behind the shell, do you think? Shall we look? Come on, you help me. No! Where could he be? There you are, Spot. Look what I found, Mum. It's some toy dinosaur bones. Oh, I bet Spot would love a toy dinosaur bone. And that was Find Spot at the Museum, a Lift the Flap book by Eric Hill. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye! Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Spot. Spot Goes to the Fire Station by Eric Hill. And look, there's Spot in the fire truck. And I think that's Grandpa Dog. He's driving it. That looks like lots of fun. Let's see what happens.
I want to be a fireman, like you, Grandpa,
says Spot. Oh, look, there's Spot. He's running off to the fire station, Grandpa following him. And there's Mr. Bear, the fireman, saying, come on in. And look, there's a lovely pussycat. And what's it doing? That's right. It's having a little sleep. Oh, shh, be very quiet. We don't want to wake that pussycat up.
Well, first we'll put on our fireman's helmets,
says Grandpa.
Don't climb too high, Spot.
Look, Spot is climbing up the ladder. And he's got a big cheeky smile on his face. He's having a great time.
Whee! Look at me,
says Spot. What's he doing? He's sliding down the fireman's pole.
Careful,
says Grandpa.
Now let's give the engine a wash.
And they'll use the bucket and the hose, and that'll get nice and clean.
Oops, sorry, Grandpa,
says Spot. Oh no, he's spraying him with the hose. Ugh, he'll get all wet.
Can I pretend to drive?
asks Spot.
Okay, but don't touch that button,
says Grandpa. This button?
Nina, 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 this is fun,
says Spot. And look, they've woken up the pussycat. And Grandad Dog's like, oh, that's too noisy.
I'm a very good fireman, Grandpa. Just like you.
And that was Spot. Spot Goes to the Fire Station by Eric Hill. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye. Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Spot Goes to the Swimming Pool by Eric Hill. Spot and Mum are going for a swim in the swimming pool. Tom and his mum are there too. Hello, Tom, says Spot. The water looks a bit cold, and Spot is feeling a little unsure. Come on, Spot, says Mum. Give the water a try. It's lovely once you get in. Mum stays close to Spot. It's fun splashing in the water. I think I'm ready to let go of the side, says Spot. Soon Spot is bobbing about. I love swimming, says Spot. Spot's friend Steve likes swimming too. Now it's time to dry off. You're getting water everywhere, laughs Mum. I'm hungry after all that swimming, says Spot. Luckily, Mum has a good idea. It's time for a treat. Yum. And that was Spot Goes to the Swimming Pool. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye! Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Spot Loves Bedtime by Eric Hill. It's bedtime. Mum reads Spot a story and kisses him goodnight. But, oh no, where's Teddy? Spot looks in his toy box. He finds his cars and his blocks, but
Teddy isn't here,
says Spot. Let's look in the living room, suggests Mum. Spot finds Dad's missing keys, but he can't find Teddy.
Teddy must be under the bed,
says Spot. But when he looks, he only finds...
Oh, my slippers,
sighs Spot.
Never mind,
Spot, says Mum. We'll look again in the morning. As Spot snuggles into bed...
It's Teddy!
cries Spot. Mum smiles. He was hiding under the covers the whole time. Good night, Teddy. Good night, Spot. Good night, children. And that was Spot Loves Bedtime by Eric Hill. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video. And remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks. Bye!